In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add icons in Notion. While Notion doesn't support custom inline icons inside text blocks, you can use emojis in text and add icons to your pages. Let's get started. To add an emoji in your text, place your cursor where you want it and type a colon followed by the emoji name. For example, type book or check, then select the emoji from the suggestions. You can also use your device's emoji picker. To add an icon to a page, open the page and click Add Icon or click the existing page icon at the top. Choose an emoji, upload your own image, or select an icon from the available options. If you want a custom look, upload a PNG, JPG, or SVG image to use as your page icon. This is a great way to personalize important pages or match your workspace branding. Using emojis in text and custom page icons makes your Notion workspace easier to scan and more visually organized. That's how to add icons in Notion. Thanks for watching.